Sari stars, how are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram I have for you a beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees. These sarees are perfect for weddings and special occasions. They are also great as gifts for your loved ones. With that, let's have a look at these beautiful sarees. A Kanjivaram that is very pretty and festive. This one is in a beautiful shade of pink. This Kanjivaram silk saree is in a very pretty shade of pink with a slight touch of orange. The body of the saree has small zari buttas. The zari borders of the saree have beautiful motifs of yana, that is elephants, and pakshi motifs. The pallu of the saree is grand and gorgeous, and it has beautiful zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, gudra, that is horses, pakshi motifs, and diamond-shaped motifs, all done in zari. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast deep green blouse. You can accessorize this saree with some green jewelry. A gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree. This one has Kai Korvai borders, and the borders are Ganga Jamuna. A Kanjivaram silk saree in the iconic MS blue color. The body of the saree is in blue and it has Mail Chakram buttas in zari. The borders of the saree are Kai Korvai Ganga Jamuna borders. The upper border of the saree is in a beautiful yellow color. The lower border of the saree is in Arakku. Both the borders have two stripes of zari. The Arakku pallu of the saree is grand and majestic with diamond-shaped zari motifs. The saree has an Arakku blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with a Kemp attic. A Kanjivaram silk saree in a very rare combination. This one is in a beautiful shade of grey. This is a Kanjivaram silk saree in a very rare combination. The body of the saree is in a very elegant and graceful shade of grey with small zari buttas all over the body. The rust-colored borders of the saree have zari floral motifs. The rust-colored pallu of the saree has zari motifs of pakshis, yana, that is elephants, and sipureka in zari. The saree has a rust-colored blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A very elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a gorgeous green. This is a Kanjivaram silk saree in a gorgeous shade of green. It's a threadwork Kanjivaram and there are threadwork buttas all over the body of the saree. The borders of the saree are in a combination of rust and mustard and they have threadwork motifs of pakshis. The pallu of the saree follows a similar color scheme as the borders and it has similar motifs as the borders. The blouse fabric of the saree is in a beautiful shade of mustard. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with some beaded jewelry. A very unique Kanjivaram silk saree. This saree is in a beautiful shade of mehendi. A very beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree and a personal favorite. The body of this saree is in a gorgeous shade of mehendi green and the motifs are also unique motifs. They are of Gandaberunda or the two-headed mythical bird. The borders of the saree have zari pakshi motifs. The breathtaking pallu of the saree has grand zari motifs of gudire, that is horses, kili, that is parrots, and diamond-shaped motifs all done in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in a gorgeous shade of plum. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. A Paikattam Kanjivaram silk saree which is very festive and grand. This one is in a beautiful combination of arakku and rust. A Paikattam or mat design Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of the saree is in a beautiful combination of rust and arakku. There are zari motifs of Mail Chakram all over the body of this Paikattam saree. The grand borders of the saree have Araimadam motifs and temple motifs in zari. The pallu of the saree is grand and it has a series of motifs like Yana, that is elephants, Pakshi motifs, Banaras motifs and Araimadam motifs. The saree has an arakku blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse or you can pair it with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this saree with green temple jewelry. Our Kanjivaram silk sarees are in the most amazing colors and the motifs are breathtakingly beautiful. To shop for our beautiful collection of Kanjivarams, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.